Let's talk about how to review material in From the Page. I'm using the Archives of Michigan World War I Service Cards project as an example here. If you look, each of their what we call works, in this case a pile of cards for a particular set of last names, shows you kind of the status. This first one is 100% transcribed, but 86% of them need review. So how do you actually review those cards? You can come over here and click on pages that need review. And what that does is it gives you a list of pages across the entire World War I Service Cards project that actually need review. And as you page through this, you'll see different kind of stacks of cards or works in this case. You simply find a page, you click on it, you click on transcribe, you review what's going on. So let's see, is this Allen, Rex K, looks right, 2051071, White, Buchanan, Michigan. Let's make sure that's right. Yeah, place of birth, Bangor, Michigan. Ooh, 38 and 8/12 year. And it doesn't have a date of birth, so that looks right. So I'm going to click approve up here. So see how this says this page needs review. I'm going to hit approve, and that message, this page needs review, goes away, and this is now marked as reviewed. If you review something and then discover that there was a change that still needed to be made, you can still make changes and hit the save button. So it doesn't lock the card, it just marks it as having another set of eyes on it. So that's how you review a card, but there's another way to kind of get into this list of pages that need review, and that's this review tab. And this one will take you to works that need review, and you can kind of get a different view of all the things that need it, how many pages they need. So like, I like to get things done, so I might come work on this one that's a little bit shorter, so I can get all 18 of them reviewed, and that one's complete. It also shows you what other users were working on it, because you probably don't want to review your own work. You'd like someone else to be looking at it. So that's another approach. And then there's sometimes on this dashboard there's some other options depending on how the project has configured review. So that's the general approach to reviewing material and From the Page.